Price of Bitcoin and other crypto. Today, the prices of Bitcoin, Ether, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and other cryptocurrencies all went up. Cryptocurrency market capitalization rose more than 10% in the last 24 hours, bringing it back up to $2 trillion, which is where it was before. The price of cryptocurrencies is on the rise today, with Bitcoin climbing above $43,000 after trading below that level in the last few days. A lot of people use Bitcoin, which is the world's most popular and largest cryptocurrency, and it went up more than 13%. While that's going on, the global cryptocurrency market capitalization rose more than 10% in the last 24 hours, CoinGecko says. Ether, the second largest cryptocurrency in terms of market value, also rose more than 10% to $2,912. However, the price of Dogecoin was up 7% to 13 cents, and Shiba Inu was up more than 8% to $0.000026. On the other hand, in the last 24 hours, Terra prices rose more than 20%, while prices of other digital tokens rose between 6% and 18%. Solana, XRP, Avalanche, Stellar, Polygon, Litecoin, Cardano, Polkadot, and Terra prices all rose. When geopolitical tensions have been rising, Bitcoin's price has fluctuated. This has thrown out the idea that it can be used as a hedge when things get bad. So far in 2022, year-to-date or YTD, the digital token has lost about 6%. However, it is still more than 30% away from its record high of $69,000 that it hit in November 2021. A wider market sell-off has led to a lot of people rethinking their portfolios to account for a more aggressive Fed and rising inflation, which is now expected to raise interest rates 7 times this year. A Bloomberg report says that the Biden administration is asking crypto exchanges to help make sure that Russian individuals and groups aren't using virtual currencies to avoid sanctions from the US and its allies. This comes after Russia invaded Ukraine last week.